When I was 11, 12 years old, I just went on YouTube and I typed how to get rich in the search bar. And then I stumbled upon a few guys who were actually doing online business and making videos about it. They were explaining like sales funnels, etc., selling products, digital products, and these people made a lot of money. In fact, one of them, his name was Anthony Neville. I remember in one of his videos, which I can't find now, he just deleted it, he was showing his Stripe dashboard, and he made something like $50,000 to $80,000 in a single month with his business, selling courses online while traveling the world. I remember in his videos, he'd always stay in different hotels around the world, expensive hotels. He'd film himself at the pool in these luxurious hotels, and back then, not that many people were doing it. It's not like nowadays you see like 19-year-old kids being all like, I made $1 million by 15 years old. Shut the fuck up, dude. You didn't do shit. You didn't do shit. I made thousands of dollars a day in profit. I still don't even have a fucking iPhone. And then there's these kids that are like, I made my first million in profit by 15 selling dropshipping or agency. Oh my fucking god. And you believe them. All the people who got rich online, and I knew this since I was 11 fucking years old. I'm 23 right now. They all sell online courses, digital products, high-ticket programs, and nowadays we can throw in school communities in the mix. It's like the ultimate online course. That's the best thing you can start nowadays to make money. In fact, there's a school community making $19,000 a month, teaching people how to get better at a video game. It's called something like CS2 Improvement Group or Improvement Camp, something like that. You can look it up. There's also a school community which is teaching people how to play pickleball. I don't even really know what it is. They make over 30 grand a month. There's a guy also who just paints. That's what he does. He makes $10,000 a month. I've done hundreds of Zoom calls with people who are more ambitious than the average Joe. And a lot of people told me, oh, I can't start this. I can't teach people English. I can't make videos on playing the guitar and make money from it. It's too saturated. Right now, I challenge you to tell me of any industry, any market which isn't super saturated, any market that makes money. You won't find a single one. You know why? Because when a market is saturated, there's simply a lot of demand. So in reality, there's always a spot for you. You just have to fucking start. Because every market which is not saturated, like there's no one in it, there's a reason why there's nobody in it. Because no one's making money from it. Because it's a shit market that nobody gives a shit about. So do the thing you want to do. Every single day on my homepage, I see small creators popping off in every niche possible. In playing an instrument, in fitness, in relationships, everything you can think about. Gardening, for fuck's sake. But you're not gonna start. Because you've got too many limiting beliefs. Because you're used to wasting time. That's another thing I despise about the school system. It teaches us it's okay to waste time. It teaches us it's okay to sit in a boring-ass classroom listening to a dumbass who's never done anything with his life, and that person has authority over you. You quote-unquote learn a bunch of shit you'll never even use ever again. All you do is just recite it for a test. That is what they call education. I just call it a slave factory. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast.